My dear friends and fellow seekers, I am Amin Prashant. Wanted to discuss with you some things related to Moksha Samooh. Few days ago, Acharya Dhyan Amin has released a YouTube video where he talks about that you can attain moksha in 30 days or so. And therefore, obviously, a lot of seekers wanted to join Moksha Samooh group. And believe me, several of them do not have an understanding what moksha is. First and most important thing is our misgivings related to moksha, the myths which are associated with moksha or salvation. Salvation, mukti, or moksha can be attained uh, at what stage of our life. Several seekers believe that moksha can only be achieved when you die. Some thinks that when you leave your family, when you live alone in woods, go to forest, pray for the God, then you can achieve moksha. Believe me, these are all misconceptions. So what we conceive or what we have perceived so far moksha need to be cleared. So every seeker who join Moksha Samooh need to have the clarification or clear understanding of moksha. It is not to leave your family. It is rather to live with them like God lives with them. If you are living with your wife or children, that means you are living with the God itself, or what we call Paramatma. So, in a way, I can say that moksha is transformation of a human being from a normal human being to God personified. From normal human being to God personified. So that's called moksha. Now, how to achieve this? Gurudev has told Moksha Samooh group about 30 days you can attain moksha. But because the seekers have a different levels of understanding, therefore we divided Moksha Samooh in three parts. Moksha Samooh 1, Moksha Samooh level 2, and Moksha Samooh level 3. So all seekers who join Moksha Samooh, they have to come in level 1. And after doing some sadhanas and some meditation practices, and once they reach to the level where the Gurudev want them to be, then they can either move to level 2 or level 3. So those who reach to level 2 will do some more sadhana, more practice of meditation with more passion, and then they can reach in level 3. Once you reach in level 3, then it is 30 days. After that, Gurudev will tell you some sadhanas or meditation practices so that you can attain moksha in those 30 days. But it all depends on your passion, how eager you are to attain moksha. Why not moksha? Moksha is the only priority in your life. Once it is that, once you have that burning desire to attain moksha, then come and join Moksha Samooh group and challenge yourself that you can attain it. When Gurudev with you, you can do it. So how can you join Moksha Samooh? Prepare a video in which you include your name, your date of birth, your profession you are engaged in, and then make a video with your experiences of meditation, what you have done, what you have attained. And then send that video on the number given below on this YouTube video. The number is given. On that number, you can send this video, which could be 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, at any length you want to. Obviously, not 2 hours, right? So try to make it a concise video. Your name, date of birth, from where you are, and what your profession is, and then your experiences related to meditation. Send this video to me on the number given below, and then Gurdev will go through these videos, will analyze your potential to attain moksha, and then we will inform you what fees are involved from level 1, from level 2, and level 3, so that you can join the group. Now, when this group is going to start, it is going to start from August 1, 2020. August 1, 2020. So you have 5-6 weeks, but please send the video as soon as possible, because Moksha Samo group is already getting a number of seekers in there. So we already have Moksha Samo group getting filled. So be quickly, do sooner than later, and join us. We welcome you. So thank you for watching my video, and thanks for Acharya Dhyanamiji, who used me as a medium to convey the message to all of you. Namaskar. Be blessed. Be happy. मस्त रहिए, खुश रहिए. Bye bye.